Pronunciation of difficult words from the story Games at Twilight by Anita Desai. Ravi, Raghu, Manu, Meera, Veranda, Sadi, Den, Scent, Flower pot, Chanting, Bougainvillea, Disappeared, Spider, Whistling, Twilight, Parents, Bored, Bushes, Squirrels, Tremble, Hinges, Yell, Wondered, Pray, Remembered, Squashed, Hosepipe, Streaked, Charging, Stumbled, Mulberries, Melancholy, Shivered, Ant hills, Lowered, Bathtub, Road, Upturned, Shrubs, Howling, Flit, Flashing, Freshness, Released, Crawling, Trembled, Intervened, Starch, Choke, Ignominy, Insignificance, Fray, Clapping, Shrieks, Whimper, Annoyed, Elude, Contemplated, Soaking, Glimmered, Workshirt, Travelers, Reassuringly, Fingertips, Gulps, Flattened, Underpants, Sockets, Splitting, Superciliously, Screams, Occupied, Sprayed, Eucalyptus, Bump, Sepulchral, Gushing, Despairing, Clasping, Crashing, Shuttered, Inaction, Roused, Snores, Gleaming, Mortuary, Peeped, Talcum, Mournfully, Beads, Pause, Trooped, Magenta, Crumbling, Shoving, Reappearance, Confinement, Spooky, Grumbling, Reappeared. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and comment.